That son's blinding me. Can you hear it? Let me just go to the back of the house. That's a helicopter just gone over north. I'll film it through this window. Where is it? Right. I'll go to my computer screen. Right, so let me just go to my computer screen. I'll show you what that was. I already heard it before. I've seen this helicopter before. So he's way over there. So he's heading north, south. So let's get to my computer screen. I'll show you what that was. Right, so I'll go to. I'll do ADXB exchange first, times 1620p, 22nd of February 2024. So I've seen this helicopter before that just went over yesterday, but I didn't get to film it that much. Right. Aha, forgotcha. That was that helicopter just went over. That is what the hell that type of helicopter is. So there's the reg GVGMB. I'll just show you where he's come from. Just get rid of that. So he went. So where is he now? He's going up to Lisnaki. Longford is here, and he's just gone past over Kirshana. Well, past my house, not actually Kirshana there. So anyway, I'll show you where he's come from. He's came from that place there. So he's probably heading to the north, I guess. So yeah, so I switched to flight radar 24. If I go and find. Right, here we go. Flight radar 24. So he just must have came from here. He came from the north. So if I could try and move the mouse. Yeah, go. So he went past over Limerick. So he must have took off at Adderine over Limerick, past over Athlone, Ballymore, Longford, and he's gone straightly over. And AS50, they don't have a picture of it, and they have no clue where's come from, and they don't even know where's come from, where's going to. So Airbus helicopter, that's the H125. So H250. So an Airbus helicopter just went over. So I thought it was going to be this helicopter here. Well, that one just up, and they already know it's coming from Enniskillen. Anyway, I'll leave it here. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.